How to manage who can ask me questions on VK on Android or iOS phone. First open VK and then click Hub, then click these three lines here and click Settings. Scroll down until you find Privacy, and here you will find who can ask me questions. Click on it and that's it. Select anything you want here and then go back. It will be saved, and I hope that can help you. Just select anything you want and go back. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. And thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.